Good afternoon, Johnson and Amundsen's class.
Good afternoon, Mr. Pottinger.
Today we are doing probably our last video on ratios, 8.5. Do you understand, or can you explain what a ratio is and does?
Yes.
Okay, a ratio is what on the count of three? A ratio is what on the count of three? 1, 2, 3.
A relationship between two numbers.
It's a relationship between two numbers. So when you think of a ratio, you think of what number do we have we worked with all year that has two different numbers that form some sort of relationship? What kind of number is that?
Fractions.
So are ratios fractions?
Yes.
Yes, all eyes should be up here. All eyes should be up here. Ratios can be written three different ways. They can be written as a
Fraction.
They can be written using a
Colon.
or they can be written using the word.
Two.
Is it important that we simplify ratios?
Yes.
Is it mandatory to simplify ratios?
Yes.
Here's a piece of pizza, or here's a pizza, right?
Yes.
It looks like one of the slices is colored in, yes?
Yes.
Could we read that as one slice eaten over 4 total slices?
Yes.
Yeah, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yes.
But could you also use a different ratio to explain this pizza?
Yes.
For example, could we say 1 slice eaten
Yes.
and 3 slices not eaten?
Yes.
So notice 1/3 and 1/4, they're different, but they still accurately describe that pizza, yes or no?
Yes.
So you need what in order to understand what the video is asking?
Label.
I'm sorry, not the video, but what the problem is asking. You need what again?
Label.
Brilliant. Why is this an incorrect answer?
Because it's not reduced.
It's not reduced. Beautiful. Is it important that you read carefully?
Yes.
In this case, we're talking about circles to total shapes, yes? Can you convert a ratio into a percent?
Yes.
Because ratios, again, are nothing but what?
Fraction.
And can fractions be converted to percents?
Yes.
And decimals, I meant decimals. Yeah, you guys got that. Cool. And be careful, again, when you read this, we have 4 and 11. Remember this problem? And that actually was, the question was asking us about the total number of Takira and Lucy's presents combined together, yes? So you just got to read, yes? Any issues? We good?